My parent. In this video, you can see that baby Will has a red rash on his neck, continuing down the rest of his back. He is also constipated and has not gone to the bathroom for days. You're his parent. What do you do?
Emergency room.
Okay. Any other suggestions? Maybe take him to an allergist, maybe a laxative, some kind of cream that you could get like at your local pharmacy. All of these would work, but they would only cure his symptoms. They would not get down to the true issue. So what if I told you that baby Will's rash could be cured with chiropractic care alone? Now, I didn't tell you the whole story. If we continue to play the video, you can see that baby Will's crawl is weird. He sticks his right leg out, and that is the reason why his true parents brought him to see a chiropractor in the first place. Now, on this spinal model, when a baby crawls, his hips are supposed to move like this, allowing him to crawl like we usually see a baby's crawl all the time. But Will, his right hip, right here at the joint where it meets the spine, was misaligned, causing it to press in to the nerve that connected his brain to his colon. So because it was pressing into that, it was unable to allow him to go to the bathroom, and it was causing toxins to build up in his body, hence his horrible rash on the back of his neck, because our bodies naturally will try to push out toxins any way they can. So if he was unable to go to the bathroom, the toxins appeared on his skin. Now, Will's case is very dramatic, but as you can see, after 6 weeks of care, this is what happened. His rash is completely cleared up, and when he begins to crawl, he starts to crawl like a normal baby. And that is after just 3 weeks of chiropractic care. And like I said, his case is very dramatic. But sometimes you could not see a funny crawl and just see a rash, but that is still a chiropractic problem. Chiropractic should be a part of our regular health care. Chiropractic is relevant to us all because of the activities we engage in, especially sports. You might be thinking, well, I don't play sports, so this does not pertain to me. But activities as simple as sleeping, walking, standing, and sitting are enough to misalign your spine. And all of you are doing one of these activities today as you sit before me. I will tell you what chiropractic is and why you should all seek regular chiropractic care. First of all, according to the American Chiropractic Association, chiropractic is defined as a healthcare profession that focuses on disorders of the musculoskeletal system and the nervous system, and the effects of these disorders on general health. Chiropractors are defined as doctors who practice a drug-free, hands-on approach to healthcare that includes patient examination, diagnosis, and treatment. Chiropractors strive to find the true cause of issues, not just a cover-up for the symptoms. Chiropractors adjust bones to move them into place to where they're supposed to be. We all know our spinal bones protect our spinal cord. Our spinal cord connects our brain to the rest of our bodies and controls everything we do. If it is severed, we'll most likely die. Therefore, it is extremely important to keep the spinal cord fully functioning and that there are no nerve interferences. Now that we know what chiropractic is, here's why you should all seek regular chiropractic care. Dr. Jeffrey Lawler, a local chiropractor here in St. Louis, taught me that these spinal cord interferences are called subluxations. Subluxations are like having poor cell phone reception between your brain and the rest of your body. And I know we all hate having that no signal cell phone sign, so shouldn't we take the same attitude with our bodies? Some subluxations can be very painful, however many are not. One study in the New England Journal of Medicine, doctors took an MRI of 98 people who claimed to have absolutely no back pain at all. But the MRIs revealed that at least 2/3 of them had bulged, protruded, or degenerative spinal discs. Only 18% of the nervous system is pain-oriented, meaning you could have an interference along a nerve pathway and not even feel it. And as you can see in the photo, the yellow represents the amount of our spine that is pain-oriented. So it is a very little amount compared to the rest. So you could have all of these issues and have absolutely no idea. The only way to know if you have nerve pressure is to have your spine checked by a chiropractor. When I first went to see my current chiropractor in December of 2012, he told me I had one of the worst necks he had ever seen. After taking a full spinal x-ray, he showed me my neck compared to what a neck is supposed to look like. It revealed that my neck actually had a reverse curve, meaning that it was curving the opposite way of what it was supposed to, and I had no pain at all. He told me that it would be just a matter of years before I started having migraines, headaches, and terrible neck pain. But even though I was not having pain, one symptom that I was dealing with constantly was low immunity. I was getting sick all the time, whether it was just a sore throat or a cold. I always seemed to have something, and it was really interfering with my life. So even though I did not have any pain, my neck was still affecting my health. Chiropractors can correct issues in other parts of our bodies as well, such as ankles, knees, clavicles, wrists, as you can see in the photo, and elbows. Issues such as baby Will's in the video, with his rash and his constipation, can also be fixed with chiropractic, even though they are not considered to be back issues. Problems such as headaches, digestive issues, arthritis, and carpal tunnel can all be fixed using chiropractic. A big misconception is that chiropractic care is expensive. One study from the Alternative Medicine Integration showed that patients under chiropractic care had an 85% decrease in pharmaceutical costs and a 60% decrease in hospital admissions. Lastly, the human spine contains 24 individual vertebrae, each of which can move in 7 different directions. Just imagine the possible misalignments. The CDC, the Centers for Disease Control, reports that as a country, we spend almost $3 trillion a year on our healthcare system. About 80% of that $3 trillion is for chronic, lifestyle, preventable, and reversible disease. Now you all know what true chiropractic is and why it is necessary for you all to seek regular care. In closing, chiropractic is not about believing. As in the Baby Will video, he is too little to hold actual belief about anything. So when people say, I don't believe in chiropractic, that's not a good excuse, because even though Baby Will did not hold belief, he was still cured. What really keeps people from seeing a chiropractor is a lack of knowledge and understanding. So now, what's your excuse?